What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in once again. I got 3 pickups in front of me, you guys, and before I get into the last sneaker, I'm just going to remind you guys one more time about the giveaway because it's getting really close for me to announce the giveaway winner. So if you haven't signed up already, check out my IG, and yeah, good luck to everybody. But let's get right into it, you guys. Sorry about my voice, I'm losing my voice a little bit. But I don't even remember what's in these boxes because they've been sitting down here for like a week, and I ordered a couple sneakers, and let's just see what's in here, you guys. For this first sneaker, you guys, we got a brown box right here with a bunch of lettering, wording, branding, a bunch of stuff on here. What is this that we got? Oh, so these dropped on Nike, and it's the official name is the Nike Air Max 97 SE special edition maybe, and they look like they kind of look like the Weatherspoons. So I pulled the trigger on them. They got like mushrooms inside right there. They got air sprung on the back right here. They look pretty like wild looking. Air sprung on the tongue right there. The colorway anyway looks similar to the Weatherspoon Air Maxes. So I pulled the trigger just to kind of see them in hand and whether or not I liked them or not. But yeah, these are on Nike. They should be on Nike. I don't know if they sold out or not, but if you guys are looking for like a imitation shoe, kind of like the Weatherspoons, you might be able to find these on Nike. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Like I said, they might be sold out, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep those. So for this next shoe, I think I know what this one is. This is, I think, a Jordan 1 mid that I was able to cop on Hibbett, and if I'm not mistaken, it's a pretty nice mid. I'm not crazy about mids, but sometimes they make like really nice mids, especially like material wise. And these ones have extra laces, and mids never come with extra laces. But check out this mid, you guys. You got gray extra laces. This has got like a canvas on the toe box and on the side panel right there. Also over here, you got like a suede, kind of a rough suede swoosh, and the back here is suede. It's rough, along with like the ankle part right here. And then you got suede on the toe box as well. Gum bottoms, you guys. I think this was called like the coconut milk or something. I could be completely wrong. Yeah, coconut milk. Yeah, Jordan 1 mid. So yeah, pretty decent shoe, you guys. I mean, I may or may not keep these as well, but we'll see. I'm not crazy about them, but I thought it was a pretty clean colorway, and they dropped randomly on Hibbett. So the gum bottom though, clean. I'm giving these away, you guys. Love giving back on the channel. So just subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, and find the post of these shoes and tag 3 friends in the comments, and you guys will be entered in the giveaway. Simple as that. No shenanigans. You guys, I'm not gonna make you pay to sign up or anything like that. So just my, thank you to you guys for watching and supporting the channel. So many more giveaways to go, you guys, because like I said, I love giving back, and it's not about me just attaining all these sneakers. I want to, help somebody else start their collection or resell business or whatever it is. It's for, it's for the community. It's for the culture. That's what I'm all about. So anyway, yeah. So this last sneaker, you guys, I'm very excited having in the collection. I've already opened it, obviously, because I was really excited to see them in hand. I bought these used because I didn't want to pay new price, and I planned on wearing them, which is why I bought used. If you guys are trying to collect shoes and you want to wear shoes, you probably should buy used. Like Goat and eBay, StockX doesn't sell used, but Goat and eBay, you guys can find used shoes. You just gotta really hunt, and like sometimes the shoes look like crap because they're really used. But I hunted, I really did my research on these and found a really clean pair. They look almost brand new, and shoes falling out of the box, you guys. So here we go. This says Nike swoosh on it right there. It's an off-white shoe. This is, you guys, probably my the top 3 favorite The 10 from the original The 10 off-white collection that dropped in 2017. This is probably top 3 out of all the 10 that dropped. And obviously my number one is the Chicago's, and then 2 and 3 can be flip-flopped, but this is up there, you guys. I was really excited to get these, and these are definitely going on feet, but it's the off-white Air Max 90s. You guys, these are absolutely fire, like absolutely fire. Check out the branding on the side right there. It's got like the deconstructed tongue right there, deconstructed ankle right there, and like really, like, I don't even know what to call this material. It's like the same material that's on the off-white 5s. Let me grab them really quick. It's got like the weird texture. I don't even know what to call it, but it's like really durable. But yeah, same material as the 5s right there on the toe box, and it's just got like a translucent looking bottom right there. I just need to clean them up a little bit because, like I said, they're used, but got like some suede on the side here, and just a really fire Air Max, you guys. Really excited to have these. Let me see the other one. Like, I was looking at a bunch of used pairs of these on GOAT, and like they were all like either super yellowed or super trashed. But I got these with a good box and with all the laces right here, orange, green. I think if you put like one orange, one green, you know, and alternate colors, that would really pop. And then obviously I got the tag for it right here. They took the tag off, but the off-white tag right there. Really sick shoe. Top 3 off-white the 10s. Actually off-white in general, because I'm not really an Air Force One guy, so I'm not crazy about Air Force Ones. These shoes are absolutely sick, you guys. I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pairs of off-whites, 5 actually with the Hyper Dunks. This will make it 6, and yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with my off-white collection. I got one more off-white sneaker coming, you guys, so stay tuned. I have, I think 4 more pairs of sneakers still on the way. Every time I say, I swear every like week or 2 weeks I'm ordering a new pair of shoes. So yeah, these are definitely going on feet, and really excited to have them once again. They even got the size tag on them. Like, come on, like barely worn, you guys. Still got the size tag, and I got them for, you know, these like brand new are like 2-3 grand, and I got them for under $1,000. I got them for under $1,000 and almost new. So yeah, you guys just gotta really look and do your research and see. You know, some people are really giving deals out there for stuff like this, and I know it sounds like under $1,000 sounds like it's like crazy for these shoes, but honestly it's not, because DS pairs are ridiculous, especially after Virgil dying. So rest in peace, Virgil. Amazing Air Maxes right here, you guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in once again. That's it for today's video, and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.